AI tools are more powerful than ever, but most professionals are getting average results. It's not the tool, it's how you use it. And the mistake is subtle. AI feels simple, but effective use is structured. The three core mistakes. Mistake one, random prompts. Most people treat AI like search. They ask one off questions and expect consistent results. No structure, no consistency. Mistake two, no workflow. They use AI in isolation instead of connecting steps into a process. Output without process doesn't scale. Mistake three, no reuse. They recreate work every time instead of building assets they can reuse. This keeps you at low leverage. AI rewards system thinking. The advantage doesn't come from knowing prompts. It comes from building systems. Tools don't create leverage. Systems do. Most people never make this shift. And why progress feels slow? High performers build systems, not just output. But it requires a structured approach. In the next video, we'll break down the specific skills that separate low leverage users from high leverage professionals. And if you're enjoying these videos, make sure you click on the icon to subscribe, and that way you'll be notified when the next one comes out. Thanks for watching.